This car show lands us in 44 PA. What is going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Hey, this car show lands us here in 44 PA for the Boy Scout Troop 143 of Swarersville, and they put on this car show every year to help offset some of the costs for their trips that they go on, some camping gear and stuff like that. So we're going to take a walk around, check this show out. But if you're new to the channel, please hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. We got the project truck out here to the show, but we're going to take a walk around and we'll get back to this. So hang out and let's check out some of these sweet rides. Have any of you ever seen a remote control 4x4 Lamborghini? Well, you're about to, because it's coming up here now. Well, we made it back to the Mud Truck to Show Truck project vehicle, so what do you say we check that out? You guys can't go without a show without seeing that. around the show. They have a little flea market going on with a bunch of vendors. So this is all supports a good cause. So what do you say we all check that out? This awesome chopped rat rod, but let me show you what's trying to crawl underneath the cart. I guess we don't want to hang out here too long. Boy, the things people come up with. How about this rat rod recovery vehicle? Let's go check that out. Well, everybody, while walking around the show here, I came across this wicked van, and it's called Wicked Evolution. So let's go around the other side and see what we got going on here. Guys, what do you think of that? Why don't we go over here and check out some of the guys that made this? And right here we got Steven, and I was talking with Steven, and he also has a YouTube channel. Steven, what's the name of your YouTube channel?
The Cat That Games, GAMES.
All right.
At the end for games.
All right, if you guys want to, run over to his channel, check him out, check out some of the stuff we got going on. And earlier in the video, you seen that 4x4 Lamborghini come by. But let's check out that. And here's Ryan. He's the operator of that vehicle. And Ryan, you also have a YouTube channel. What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Kollar Games, KOLLARGAMEZ.
All right, guys. Go over to those two channels, check them out, give them a big thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for them. So let's check out this van. there's a little walk around the 6th Annual Troop 143 Boy Scouts of Swarsville Annual Car, Truck, and Bike Show. Like I said once before, if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. So till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll, and I'll see all you in the next video.